morning! Welcome po sa aking channel ng Bok Choy TV. For today's video, meron po tayong atin na meeting ang mga kababaihan wise. Walang kabakla. Pero kababaihan lang, kabakla. Sorry sila. So guys, yan, panoorin niyo po ang aking for today's video. Atin tayo ng kababaihan, ang wise, ang wise. Ibig sabihin yung wise. Yung kababaihan, pero ibang pangalan ang grupo ito, wise. Yung mga nagbubuo sila ng yung organisasyon na may mga kikitain o may mga plano na sila ay magkakaroon ng hanap buhay na kahit na paano ay ang mga kababaihan ay hindi nagwawalang kabulang dyan sa bahay, nandiyan tayo nakistambay. At the same time, meron silang kikitain ng kanilang pagsali dito sa wise. So guys, panoorin niyo po kami mamaya kung anong ganapan dito. So babay muna kayo guys, hanggang dyan muna kayo at panoorin niyo po guys. Bye! Hindi kita nakita. Hindi kita naintindihan kanina.
Sabi ko, doon na tayo magkita.
Dito?
Sabi mo, pupunta ka. Sabi ko, madali din rin. Wala ka siya.
Paano, pinsan ko kasi to. Sabi niya sa akin, gising ka na. Nasa banig pa ako. Sorry na lang siya. Forma lola ko. Tumingin ka. Pag tumingin ka, ate kita. Yan, shout out sa'yo! Shout out. Pangalan mo po?
Mabu.
Ikaw po, ilang taong gano'n? Kasali po siya sa wise, guys. Yan. Like and share po sa kanyang kagandahan. Comment. Kayo po, taga saan po sila? Hindi ko po kayo kilala, taga Don Vicente. Hindi nga. So yun guys, merong event. Wow! Sana all!
Bidyohan mo ng solo naman.
Sasayaw ka ba? Sasayaw ka? Mani.
Attendance ka na?
Opo. Sasali ka? Ayan. Wala tayo.
Hi po!
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be odds against me? Maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I'd like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt.
Mingo ka, amin ka. Shout out ni Kapitan.
Ending Highway Chapter. Thank you po.
Parang, anong ganap? Anong ganap mo? Yes ka? Ka lang. Yes ka lang?
Harap pa.
Harap ka lang. Kaya kasama siya sa WISE. Siya po yung representative ng Mahogany. Ayan. May pabulak-bulak ang medyo. Sabi pa mo. Lapit ka sa mo. Mahogany. Di ba may pagpapakaan? Wow. Ano tawag dito? Ano tawag dito? Anong talent ko? Ano? Meron yung yung hugot line. Hugot line? Tagalog na lang. Tagalog line. Ay ano ka? Hugot line. Hugot line may kailangan may hugot line. Oo, meron.
Gusto mong safe ka, trust ko.
Yan. Yan pang hugot line niya. Mamaya abangan nyo. So, dyan muna kayo guys.
Mag-trust ko doon ka.
Guys, hindi pa kami na susimula ng sayo, nag-almusal nyo na. Kapit tayo guys. Ayun naman yun. Ito ang representative ng, leader namin ng WISE. Ganda.
Okay. May panalo na. Yung mga bantay po, medyo backward na kasi baka madali kayo. Patintero po ito. Patintero. Na mga sito. Okay.
Guys, meriendahan na guys. Nang sopa. Wait lang. Meriendahan na. Shout out. Mamaya ilalive ko pag nandiyan na sila. Wala pa.
Dinoble mo lang.
Wala.
Wala.
Ang mga taga-Adelina! Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa loob ng higit 2 taon. Higit kaming 3,300 kababaihan ako ang natutulungan natin pagdating sa financial assistance, seasonal jobs, skills training, live youth assistance at health and medical services. At syempre, hindi po tayo makaya na ang miyembro ay pinakakaranas ng serbisyo na tatanggap po before the end of April na hindi nung listahan hindi mo natatapos. Hey! Ganyan tayo sa sila. At may konting, asan na ba yung ating tiktak-tiktak? Meron tayong ibang isuyo sa mga wise. For the past 1.5 years, si Senator Ivy ay nakapagbigay po tayo sa atin ng AIPs sa mga wise. At meron din po siya ang Women's Month na konting remembrance para sa ating lahat ay siyempre ilahasun natin ng sarap sa barangay. May ilang piraso na para sa tuloy, ilatapon na lang natin.
Guys, sino ang pinakamalaki ang bewang dyan susukatin? Pinakamalaki ang bewang.
Si Elsie naman ito. Elsie, hi Gineng. Hi, si Elsie.
Ayan, si ano nanalo. Ayan, kasali po si Ate Sara sa kanil sa ano, karampahan ng wine. Ganda. Siya gumawa niyan, guys. Siya gumawa nito. Kasali sa galing. Alam niyo ano to? Ito ay sako. Tapos yung mga ano, guys. Sayaw po ng Karinyosa.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let